Hello everyone and welcome. If you're a civil engineer, structural engineer, researcher, graduate student, or an Abaqus user interested in advanced concrete simulation, this video is for you. Today I'm excited to introduce the ultimate Abaqus analysis package for advanced concrete structure and materials, a comprehensive collection of 26 practical workshop designed to help you master the finite element modeling of modern concrete materials and composite structural systems using Abaqus. Over the past decade, advanced concrete materials have transformed structural engineering, engineering. Conventional concrete is no longer sufficient for many demanding applications. Engineers are increasingly using materials such as ultra-high performance fiber reinforced concrete, ultra-high performance geopolymer concrete, stainless steel fiber reinforced refractory concrete, and hybrid fiber reinforced concrete, which combine steel and polypropylene fibers. You can see here these are the definition of them. And uh, these advanced materials provide significantly higher strength, improved durability, better crack control, greater ductility, and superior resistance to impact, blast loading, and harsh environmental conditions. As a result, they are widely used in bridge, high-rise building, tunnel, industrial facilities, offshore structure, military applications, and protective structures. However, accurately simulating this material in Abaqus is not a simple task. Many engineers understand the basic of the finite element analysis but struggle when it comes to nonlinear material behavior. Concrete damage plasticity, reinforcement modeling, contact interaction, convergence issue, dynamic loading, and interpreting simulation results. That is exactly why I created this package. Instead of isolated example or basic demonstration, this training package uh, contains 26 complete engineering workshops, each based on realistic structural problem and practical modeling techniques. The package covers a broad range of structural members, including reinforced concrete column, beam, slab, beam column, joint, composite member, sandwich structure, and protective systems. You will learn how to simulate compression tests. As you can see here, these are the compression test examples. 4-point bending, 5-point bending, cyclic loading, pull-out behavior of the reinforcing bar, punching shear behavior, dynamic impact, ballistic penetration, and even air blast loading. You will learn how to model structural strengths with modern composite materials such as CFRP, GFRP, BFRP, steel section, and shear stud. Throughout these workshops, you'll gain practical experience using advanced Abaqus capabilities, including nonlinear material modeling, concrete damage plasticity, embedded reinforcement, writing code in the input, contact definition, mesh strategy, explicit model, static model, and post-processing analysis. One of the strongest features of this package is that it is entirely project-based, based on the real research paper. Rather than simply showing which buttons to click, every workshop follows the complete engineering workflow from creating geometry, material definitions, and equations till result interpreting. The goal is not just to teach you Abaqus command, but to help you to understand the engineering principle behind each simulation. After purchasing the package, you'll receive much more than just video course. Each workshop includes the complete CAE model, allowing you to examine every aspect of the model. You'll also receive the Abaqus input file, which you can run directly. Every workshop comes with a step-by-step video tutorial explaining the entire modeling. And whenever the simulation is based on a published study, I'll also provide a reference research paper allowing you to compare your numerical model with published paper. And this package is designed for graduate students uh, working on their master or PhD thesis, university instructor teaching finite element analysis, consulting engineer solving real engineering problems, researcher developing new concrete material, and professionals who want to improve their Abaqus modeling skill. Whether your interest in nonlinear structural analysis, advanced concrete material, impact engineering, blast resistant structure, or composite system, these workshops provide practical examples that can be applied directly to research and professional practice. If you've ever spent days trying to make a nonlinear concrete model converge or struggle to reproduce results from a research paper, you know how valuable a well-developed example can be. These workshops are designed to save you time, improve your modeling skill, and give you the confidence to build reliable and accurate finite element model. At the end here, the price for this concrete package include 26 model for the high and new material model for concrete rather than the conventional. The price is 156 euros. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, cryptocurrencies. Before payment, contact us through this email to tell you more about the purchasing process, the content of the package, the download links, and anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.